Behold the future of experiential marketing as we showcase Nucor's commitment to pioneering the circular economy of steel. Holt Experiential designers ingeniously harness the power of 3D modeling, state-of-the-art fabrication, and RFID chip and sensor technology, seamlessly merging tangible interactivity with digital content. With each ingeniously devised 3D engraving, prospective customers can explore Nucor's commitment to sustainability, illustrating how every piece contributes to a greener and more efficient future. Holt Experiential's interactive table is not just a tool, it's an experience. Discover the power of interactive storytelling with Holt Experiential. Are you ready to bring your ideas to life? Contact us today to transform your brand narrative.